guys, we're Team 7182 Mechanical Paradox Cube.
I'm Siobhan.
I'm Kieran.
I'm Aaron.
And I'm Pavish.
This season, we were sponsored by Actobotics. To thank them and to kick off our Relic Recovery Robot in 3 Days challenge, we wanted to do an unboxing video of their new FTC competition kit. So, this is a sealed package. We're just going to cut through it now. This is the fun and dangerous part.
Don't hurt yourself.
Oh.
Watch out.
Preferably don't have more than 4 people cutting at once.
Come on.
There we go.
We did it.
There's some nice bubble wrap in the kit.
This is bubble.
Alright.
And it comes with a paper with all the parts in it and their model numbers if you're doing CAD stuff.
Yep. Alright. So, first things first, on top we have C-channel. Now this is great, C-channel. It's very versatile. It has a lot of holes for different mounting options. And large central holes so you can fit bearings and stuff on the inside. Very great for structural building, very robust. So this kit comes with a lot of C-channel, a lot of different lengths.
A lot of C-channel.
Now it also comes with flat plates with the same hole pattern as the C-channel. So great for mounting surfaces, things like electronics and stuff like that are great here.
It also comes with servos, which these are great for making small attachments on your robot, such as arms that swing out or swing up. There's a few of those.
Yep. Alright, so it looks like another thing that comes in this version of the Actobotics starter kit is X-Rail. Now these pieces are actually stuck together. It's a bit interesting, but X-Rail is interesting because X-Rail gives you a sturdy mounting surface, but you're able to slide components along them. So if you need a dynamic mounting for something, you don't quite know the right position, so you might need to adjust it, then X-Rail is great for that. And it comes with a good amount of it too. It comes with, it looks like 4 pieces of X-Rail, along with some mounting components that we'll get to in a second.
It also comes with zip ties, the most important part of FTC.
Very important.
Not sure about duct tape though. That would be important too. So different sizes of flat plates, a couple more pieces of channel.
And it also comes with beams. These are a big part of the Actobotics kit as well. You can use these for smaller things. If you want to build something that's attaching to C-channel, they have the same hole pattern as they can fit along these. So these are also really useful. It comes with quite a few.
So for your main driving components, like wheels and main mechanisms and stuff, the kit comes with AndyMark Neverest motors. So I think we got 40s with this kit, but from the website you can actually customize what gear ratio you get between a couple different types. So these guys are really great, really powerful motors that come with built-in encoders. They're very useful, very versatile as well. It comes with 4 of those, so enough to build like half of a robot.
And to power those motors, we have a 12-volt Modern Robotics battery.
Yep.
It's great.
So in here we have the standard wheels. I think there's 4 of
Yep.
each.
So we've got 4
of the normal wheels, and then 3 Omni wheels. Is there a 4th one?
Yeah, it's down there.
Okay, there you go.
So 4 of each type of wheel. So it looks like this is a threaded rod. I believe it is for their heavy-duty linkages. So they're another type of structural connector that I think we'll find in a minute. So we're gonna put that aside and we'll get back to it in a second.
It also comes with a battery charger. That's important.
Alright, so that's the big stuff. Now there are a couple of bags of smaller components, and we're going to take this box off the table and get to these guys. There are a lot of different smaller motion components and structural components. Oh my goodness. A lot of different components.
There's a lot of screws. These are all different sizes. There's a lot of small ones. There's a lot of really long ones. And they're very useful for lots of different things.
Alright, we're going to keep this over here. Whoa. Alright, so first things first, this is mini channel. So mini channel is great for different types of mounting, just like beams. They're open-ended though. Let me open this one. So actually a great thing you can do with Actobotics mini channel is the beams actually fit inside mini channel. So you can create mounting options with aluminum beams and mini channel. The mini channel is also a great structural material as well. You can do a lot of things with this. So a lot of different great customizable options that you can use for building frames or mechanisms.
And there's also 90-degree single angle pattern brackets. So these are like the C channel, except it's like a bent version of it. It's more like just a flat plate and it's bent, so you can use these to connect different things. Or yeah, it comes with a few of those.
Yep.
And some more flat channel plate, just shaped like an L.
We're going to take a minute to cut all of these objects out of their packaging, because at the moment it's going to be kind of hard to see them. They're all surrounded in plastic, so that's going to take us a minute, but we will cut back once we're done. Here are the fully unpacked contents of the Actobotics FTC competition kit.
And here we have some X-rail, and here we have some C-channel, and servos, and wires, and motors.
Additionally, the kit comes with a lot of motion components. So not only does it come with D-shaft, it comes with rotational ball bearings. So these guys right up here, they make components spin very smoothly. They're great for drivetrains and things like that. It comes with a lot of different D-hub sizes, clamping hubs that slide right onto the shaft really easily, clamp down nice and tight there. We have plastic sprockets, great for chaining different mechanisms long distances across the robot, along with the bike chain that goes with it. So there's 5 feet of that. We have a couple of types of pinion gears here that can be great for smaller mechanisms, and a couple different types of hubs and spacers that you can space different mechanisms out with. Additionally, there are a couple of different types of connectors here, like the heavy-duty linkages and the threaded rod, that can be used for kind of less conventional connection types, and kind of trickier situations where you have to connect things across weird angles and stuff like that.
We also have these beefy HD couplers, great for connecting different size axles together. We have our plates here. We also have a couple different types of servo blocks for hooking up servos, and also a lot of different kinds of brackets for they slide right into the C channel and allow for a more robust connection.
So also we have, this is a battery mount. This comes with the battery mount kit, so you can mount your battery. There's a lot of different standoffs. These are great for like supporting C channel, which is that, so that it doesn't start bending. You can also put these so you can attach different things to it. There's a lot of different sizes. There's a very small one. And then there's also more bearings. You can attach these onto C channel, and then you can have something spinning in place. And there's also motor clamps, so these fit into the motors, and you can tighten them and then put them on your C channel or on your beam or whatever, and it won't slip because you can tighten them. And there's also gears, so you can also use gears, and you can use gears to gear drivetrains up so that they go faster or they have more torque, similar to the sprockets.
And of course, to wrap it all up, you're going to need to connect these components. So the kit comes with tons of different lengths of screws, nylon lock nuts, and several different other types of attachment nuts, like square nuts that are great for trickier attachment situations as well. Thanks again, Actobotics, for sponsoring our Relic Recovery Robot in 3 Days with one of your Actobotics FTC competition kits. Now, time to build a robot.
And don't forget your safety glasses.